So this is a USB-C charging cable. Well, hopefully anyway, because I haven't undone the pack yet, but it should be. It costs around about £9 to buy, so it's not too expensive. And you get two cables. They're 2 meters long, so perfect if you need one that is long. You get two. That's an unusual bit of packaging, isn't it? Yeah. So like I said, they're 2 meters long, you get two cables, and they're USB-C charging cables. And they do a number of different devices, and I will stick a list in there of some of the devices. It is more than what they've advertised, but they give you examples. So I thought this might be a good, perfect little tiny video to see how good it is. And I don't know how to undo that packaging, so I'm just going to rip her open. Right, you think that's in there? No, get that out of the way. Get the rubbish out of the way. So here they are, two of them. And according to the information on Amazon, they've reinforced the cable and the joins as well. So that should be really good. It's quite small actually, isn't it? Yeah. Perfect for something like a Galaxy S10 or an S9, anything like that. This should be perfect for charging it up. Even my wife's phone, this should work on that as well. She has one of them Huawei's. And hopefully even on mine. Hopefully. So 2 meters, so that's a pretty long cable. Like I said, should be perfect. So yes, definitely 2 meters. I will have a proper measure up just to make sure. So standard USB connection, looking at that on that one, and a Type C connection on that baby there. So what can we tell you about it? They've done some tests apparently. It does 3.1 amp fast charging, so that should be pretty good. And it has anti-brake connections, so it shouldn't break. And they've tested it up to 40,000 bend times. Yes, on that bit there, according to what it says on Amazon. And I have no reason to doubt them, because they'll soon get found out if they was lying. And like I said, for the amount of money, it should be, you know, it should be reasonable. We are going to be testing it now. Oh, where's my phone? Where's my phone? So my phone has a USB connection, and, or actually, my phone has a Type C connection. We are going to test it. And the way we're going to test it is, I have a power bank, this little baby here. And where's the other end? I'm going to plug it into there, like so. And plug it into my phone, and hopefully it should just charge it up. We will see. And there you go. My phone's already on 100%. It says it should be able to charge up within 1 hour, and has a USB 2.0 transmission speed of 30 to 60 megabits per second. This USB-C charger cable supports fast charging protocols such as QC 3.0, QC 2.0, AFC, and also 3.1 amp, 5 volts, 2.4 amps, 5 volts, and 1 amp and 5 volts power supply to charge different devices. Yeah, like I said, this should be able to charge up most devices, providing obviously you've got a USB Type C connection on one end, because otherwise it's not going to work. Well, actually, saying that, if you have a USB type connection and you have something you can charge it up through Type C, you can just swap them around. So yeah, so that is charging that up all right. I know it's on 100%. I will bring it down just to see what it's like later on, but that's been sitting on my charger. I just wanted to see if it would actually recognise it, and it did. Unplug that because that is charging up something else at the moment. That's what's showing 93%. But at least you know it works. So yeah, it comes in just a plain plastic bag. Comes in a nice plastic bag, and yeah, very nice. Wasn't expecting it to be anything fantastic. It did look thicker on Amazon. I thought it was a thicker cable than that, but it's good enough. It does the job. I can't see any issues. So that is it. So like I said, what I'm going to do now is drain my battery down on my phone a little bit and see if it charges up. So I'll be back. Right, so I've drained some of the battery out. I can't drain it all out because it would take a few days, because this is the OnePlus 8 Pro, and it does take a long time to drain the battery out. So I've got it down to 92%, as you can see there, or up there. And what we're going to do now is I'm going to plug this into my keyboard, because my keyboard, believe it or not, has a USB connection. I'm just going to see if it powers up or charges up my phone. It should do. It shouldn't have any issues whatsoever. So plug that in, give it a couple of seconds, and there you go, 92%. So that is charging up like I said it was. Not only that, obviously you can use this, maybe not obvious, it might not be obvious to everyone, but you can use this for data transfer as well. So basically you can transfer information from here, like a video or music or anything you like, onto your computer. Or you can do what I done earlier, because I did do it earlier. I can transfer the settings from here onto my computer for backup. I also have a cloud as well that I've already done that ages ago. So this automatically backs up to a cloud. But you could just use this for transferring data, whether it be from your phone or your tablet or any other device that you might want to copy information on. You could use this lead. So yeah, if you're looking for something that is 2 meters long, and I did have a quick measure up and it is about 2 meters long. If you're looking for something like that, this might be perfect for you, because you know, it's a nice bit of cabling. Without a doubt, it's a nice bit of cabling, does everything it's supposed to do, and it will power up loads of different devices or connect to loads of different devices, providing you have a USB on one end and a USB Type-C on the other. So let me know in the comments what you think of this little bit of cabling. I think it's quite nice, and like I said, you get 2 of these, as you see in the video at the beginning. So I've been using one at the moment, and I haven't been using the other yet. But very handy, especially where I'm going to run it, because one of them's going in my bedroom, because I never seem to have long enough cables. So this would be ideal. So one's going in the bedroom for charging up a device that I have up in the bedroom, not my phone. I don't need to charge up my phone. My phone is charged up down here all the time. And yeah, I have another device upstairs in the bedroom, and that'd be perfect for charging it up, because nothing worse than not having a long enough cable for charging up. That would be perfect. Definitely gets my thumbs up. I'm pleased with it for the amount of money it costs. It is a nice bit of cabling, feels very solid, and hopefully very reliable. So with that, if you found this video helpful and informative, please subscribe. It doesn't cost you any money whatsoever, and it does help the channel to keep growing. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If it didn't, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much for subscribing, or not for subscribing. Thank you very much for watching.